Hello and welcome to another Smart ER video. Now today we're going to look at the cabin filter or the pollen filter that sits inside the car. Now it lives down here under this area, so this is where we're going to go to first. So we just simply pull back the carpet. When I say simply, that's an utter lie, it is a pain. I've used some paint which I've tried to keep out of shot just to weight it down a bit. Then we remove the polystyrene cover which holds the tow bar and also hides the battery, which is in the UK version in the passenger footwell. Now you can be rough with it, it is polystyrene but it is quite resilient. So this is the area that you'll find it. So it's in front of the battery, which is where the red thing is, and where you can see that white label with the barcode. And here we are a little bit more now. This is the bar. This bar is actually a hinge, and instead of having a door handle, it's got a couple of clips. So here are the hinges. You don't try and unclip them. Now here is more detail. These are the hinges that I pointed to, and these are the clips. So on the side, and then it comes out. So you rotate it 90 degrees towards you, and then it pulls out. Now these are the clips. You just pinch them. You can get away with just putting your finger on the top and pushing them in when they're in position, and then you slide it towards you and pull out. So here we are again. Those are the clips, and there's one at the top. So there's 3 hinges, but there's 2 clips. So it's a bit difficult to show you, but you just reach in with your finger and then you just pinch, so you just pull it in with your finger towards the back of the car. You'll feel them click. I put a light in the car to try and give you as much light as possible. And here we are in slow motion. It literally just rotates 90 degrees and then slides out. And you can now see a white line. This thing here is the actual pollen filter or cabin filter, and I just use a screwdriver just to tease it out. So just pull it out. Now it does sort of get in the way, but you can bend it quite a lot, and the amount of gunk that comes out of it goes everywhere. So here is the actual replacement. I got it from a Motor Factors for £11. On the left the new one, on the right the old one, and as you can see it is incredibly dirty. So well, like all good husbands, I get the vacuum out. But I was just so surprised. So this filter, it does block a lot of the particulates that come from outside into the cabin. So it can reduce the efficiency of the blowers that give you the hot air and the cold air into your cabin. This literally just slots straight back in. So when you take the old one out, just pay attention to which way the lines go. And they are vertical. Now installing it is in reverse. So push it in, so the hinges locate into those little sort of funny hold lugs, and then you rotate it 90 degrees away from you, so towards the driver's side, and it just clicks in. So just a little bit of a tidy up now. Now this was a very quick video, and in all honesty it did take me about 10 minutes more because I was trying to get the right shots and get it nice and clean and tidy and make it as visible as possible for you. But it is a very simple thing, but the amount of difference it makes is incredible in terms of efficiency. The amount of power in a positive way that came out of those heaters when I tested it afterwards was incredible. So you should find then, if it's cold or if there's a bit of moisture inside the cabin, you'll find that the screens will clear a lot quicker and you'll get a lot warmer. So it's just simply in reverse. Put the polystyrene cover back in above the battery cover, put the carpet back in. Watch your fingers. I did get mine trapped and it does pinch a little, but there you are, all done. Have a cup of tea time. Thanks for watching.